Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Maomao on Dress to Impress from the, oh my gosh, can I even pronounce this? From the Apothecary Diaries. Hopefully I said that right. I'm just going to remove everything except for the accessory adjustments, which is just two things. The rest I did use accessory adjustments on. But for the hair, I used this hair in this color O0B5640. Toggle it to bangs only, no adjustments made, and this one the same color too. Then this one, same color adjustments, Y.41 for the position, Z.55, and scale it to 0.68. Then select this hair in that same color, position the Y.49, rotate the X to 0.66 and scale it to 0.35. Then get the bow and color it 91682C in metallic, toggle it to the default setting, position the Y at 0.53, Z 0.51, and scale it to 0.37. Then we're going to get this VIP necklace. We're going to color the first one pink, second one the gold, third one blue, fourth and fifth the gold color in all metallic. Position the Y at 0.61, Z 0.55, and scale it to 0.26. Then we're going to get this necklace here, this one. Position the Y at 0.55, Z 0.55, and scale it to 0.63. Then for the outfit, we are going to use a code item, which is this one. Hello, where's, oh. Then I'm going to color it, firstly, this pink. I am going to make it a little bit darker and a little bit more on the pink side, actually. Second one, I'm going to color this color, 9F4670. And then next, I'm just going to color the rest green, 919C62. And then actually, I'll make the middle one the same color. And then I'll add the green one again. And then for an extra touch, you can use this one or this scarf outside of VIP. Color it this blue color, C1E1E8. And that is it, super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!